Ano, dako kaayo. Mga kalugit, kamusta kayong lahat? Ayan, may customer tayo mga kalugit, tingnan nyo. Kung bored ka kung gabi, ikaw lang kalugit-lugit. Sige, ulan-ulan.
Oh, there you go.
Yes.
Well, it's not on Google Maps. I'll put it on there. No reviews. Really? Wow, we'll have to fix that. Change your name to what it's supposed to be and
Expert kayo sa di ano.
world. They got you
I
all
don't
your
have
stuff.
totally Google Maps, sir.
Well, you will after today.
Okay.
I put lots of people on it.
But I have a Google Map before, but it's not mine. That's a
Yeah.
fake.
Well, that is your shop, isn't it?
Mm.
Ooh. That's you.
Yeah, that's mine.
That's your shop.
Yes.
Okay. I'll get it on there so everybody knows. Sound good?
Yeah. Sakit dam. Laki oh. Dako imong dry skin.
Yeah, we're gonna go have the fish eat it tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
You know fish that eat
Fish.
their feet?
Where's...
Kanaganing kuan
At the bamboo
sa bambo.
bamboo sanctuary.
Yeah.
You have a pond full of fish that you put your feet in there and they munch them.
Kanagyan sakit-sakit.
Eat all
Sakit
the dead
din.
skin off your feet. Pretty weird. Tickles. It doesn't.
Ayun.
Sakit siya ng pagkakapit.
Katol nga sakit. Dry skin ang gud nimo ni siya nagdikit yun. Ay, hala to. Hala, tanawad ba? Sige, ano sa iring. Ang pagkaon.
Delivery?
Yeah, delivery. For the cat.
Hard at it. Look at me. There you go.
Thank you.
Hey. We'll get you on here.
Dry skin mo, dikit kayo. Di ba yan sa tiguang yung mga ano dahi?
Ricky sent me something this morning.
Ayan dam, okay na. Dili na punta o, ari kuko mo na putol o.
Kanagyan bagko na siya.
Gani. Na ano.
Ay, sakit siya.
Kuko niya o, naputol na dry skin.
Ouch.
Relax lang dam. Ano, dako kaayo. Ah, tako kayo. Wala na tayo nag-cut mga kalugit ng kuko sa gilid kasi natanggal naman siya. Gabi rin akong kamot ah.
Okay yun, siguro na ako kung kukunog.
Hindi ka na magpa-cutics. Tama-tama na sa birthday mo
Sa
magpa-cutics.
birthday lang ako magpapagpapos.
So you see this today?
No.
That's what I said. Like, what the world? So they hand loaded all those logs already.
Yeah.
That's coconut, right?
I don't know if coconut.
I think those are all coconut. See, look at this.
Sweetheart, they are working.
It's
Hand
okay,
loaded
madam.
Logs.
It's okay.
Magkanang nagpatrabaho
Look
ng
at that.
bago lang. Mga trabaho kayong taon. Di isang trabaho. Namin siya nag-atang. Sweater ka ayaw. It's not a coconut tree.
That's a baka.
No, it's not.
What kind?
I don't know what kind of trees.
Lara?
Maybe?
So mga kalugit tapos na. Ayan dam. Okay na. Grabe ang ano. Lami kayo. Tanggal jud siya.